Stop by and take a look at the 2018 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine, which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, Bluetooth. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.